and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at Huawei's official silicone case for their latest release, the P30 Pro. One that ticks all of the boxes in terms of design and protection, this case is perfect for protecting against the bumps, drops and scratches that come from day-to-day use. The soft and smooth silicone material not only feels amazing, it does an excellent job of adding extra grip and preventing the phone from sliding. I was instantly surprised with how premium this feels. It maintains the P30 Pro's sleek design while protecting it from day-to-day use. I like how minimalistic this case is. It doesn't get in the way and looks fantastic, which is just what you'd expect to see from an official case. The vibrant blue colour adds a trendy touch, making the P30 Pro stand out from the crowd. I feel this would be a great option for all situations, whether you're heading into work or out with your friends. Protection wise, this offers a lot. It's certainly not a rugged case, however it stands up well to bumps, drops and knocks, making sure your phone looks as good as new. I really like how this has a raised lip, as it keeps the screen in immaculate condition when you place it down. The official nature certainly shines through with this case. It maintains a slim and premium profile of Huawei's latest release, not taking anything away from your smartphone experience. In terms of functionality, this lets you get the most out of the P30 Pro's features, such as the impressive camera and even wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Definitely one to consider, the vibrant colour makes your phone look great regardless of where you go. It's a fantastic addition that combines a premium design with great day-to-day protection. That's all we have for our look into Huawei's silicone case for their P30 Pro. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this case for your phone, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.